everyone, welcome to another video here at Refresh Cricket. Today we have a Newbury Thruxton in the shop. I don't know how old this one is, but I do know the player and I do know that this would have scored a lot of runs, and as you can see, a lot of runs out the middle of the bat. On the face of things, we're all okay here. There's nothing too drastic on the face, but surprisingly, again with a Newbury, we have another crack down at the toe in the corner here. So we'll get that all glued up, and this will come up really nicely and ready to play for the new season. Yeah, let's just crack straight on.